Hobbit Hut video. End of week 5, start of week 6. As you can see, lots of construction going on. The guys have been digging out the foundation, so you can see there's lots of dirt around the base of the house been moved out. The masons have also been here and removed the front corner of the house. I'll take a quick walk over here and shoot it. We've got a big beam that I've built and moved out because we had to get the house lifted up, so took care of that. That'll be in there for another couple of days till the mason area, as you can see, it'll get set up, and once it's hard, then we'll go ahead and take the beam out and then they'll fill the hole where it was. Excuse the steps, I'm stepping over all kinds of junk. You can see the trenching going on around the base. There's going to be tar and all kinds of other membranes put around the edge because there was a water leaking problem. So the masons are pretty much done. You can see the back of the house all dug out. That little excavator right there that did all the work. So they'll be finished doing the excavating tomorrow, and then a high pressure spray wash the whole foundation. Put a foundation coating and like a new parging and a little skin that goes on the outside, and then it'll be totally waterproof and have a lifetime warranty. Up into the house, as usual, kitchen first. We got the floors all installed. So last time it was just temporary. Now it's a permanent fixture. Nothing new going on in the main 3 rooms, with one exception. I've got the laundry area, which you can see right here, built in. We did it upstairs because then you didn't have to go downstairs for anything, so everything is on the first floor. So washer dryer will be located right there, and then this linen closet that used to be here wasn't deep enough, so I made the linen closet a little bit deeper, and you can see by the roof where the wall used to be and now where it is. And I used to hit my head on that going down into the basement prior, so when I rebuilt it, I put a header right at the bottom there, and then angled the back wall so that when you go down into the basement you don't hit your head. The only other things done on the main floor here was went ahead and framed in the window in the smallest of the bedrooms, and as last week, the ensuite was already framed in, but went ahead and put the plywood on the floor, so that plywood's all finished grade, ready for whatever flooring we pick out. That hasn't been decided yet. So a quick run downstairs. The big thing down here, of course, is that the front room that had the masonry done. There's 3 beams holding up the whole front of the house here. The whole front of the house's front corner is lifted up. So you can see one beam right here. They're sitting on 12-ton jacks. And you can see them in the back corner there. So another beam back in the back. Those are inside. And then the big one that goes through to the outside that I showed earlier is sitting right here. So Wednesday morning we'll pull that out, and then the mason will come back and go ahead and block the rest of that hole in. From that, just a little bit of parging on there, and that's all those guys have to do. Lots going on this week. It's really muddy out. It's been a heck of a week. In the last 3 days we've had a month's worth of rain. So it's amazing that the excavator came and he worked through 2 solid days of straight rain. I think we had over 100 millimeters. So anyway, that's it for this week. It's been a tough one. but everybody has shown up and done the work that needed to be done. So end of week 5, start of week 6. Ought to be interesting. I don't know what we're doing this week, but stay tuned. Should be interesting.